2019 Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design makes it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.